Another term that is often used to describe propaganda is disinformation. Usually, disinformation is considered to be black propaganda because it is covert and it uses false information. So, disinformation is the false, incomplete, or misleading information that is passed, fed, or conferred to a targeted individual, group, or country. Now, this is different from misinformation, which is simply misguided or erroneous information. Disinformation is deliberately designed to seem real. It's passed off as real, but it's deliberately designed with fake information. So take a look at this advertisement that went around Facebook back in 2016. It reads, "Remember your assigned voting dates, November 8th for Republicans and November 9th for Democrats." Voting day in 2016 was November 8th. There's no different date for different political parties. This was disinformation. It was false information that was attempted to feed into Democrats to try and get them to vote a day late. In other words, their votes wouldn't count because they would be a day late and $1 short. And so this is an example of disinformation, of black propaganda that was trying to disenfranchise Democrats so that Donald Trump, the Republican nominee, could potentially win. Now, the individuals who posted this image said that it was a joke, and Democrats posted a similar image that said that voting day was November 8th for Democrats and November 9th for Republicans. So it's difficult to say that this had an impact in the overall election or anything like that, but that doesn't mean that it's not important to recognize when disinformation is being fed to us, so that we can combat against it with the truth. Remember that disinformation is deliberate, whereas misinformation is simply misguided. Somebody was mistaken if they passed along misinformation, but disinformation is propaganda.